Did you know that at Ampquartz, we provide you personalized experience with all types of countertops?
Did you know that Decton is actually a brand for sintered stone?
Did you know that compact glass can help you to mimic the wooden feeling of wooden material but also be more durable and resistant?
Do you know that quartz is one of the most durable material for countertops?
Did you know that we provide quartz countertops for high-end, low-maintenance kitchen surfaces?
Did you know that Ampquartz offers solid surface countertops for a seamless and easy to clean finish?
Did you know that Ampquartz provide a series of natural stones countertops that offer you both timeless and elegance?
Did you know that granite countertops are available in many styles and designs that can suit your home?
When I was your man, auto it. Did you know that Ampquartz offer auto countertops that will provide you both design and beauty?
Did you know that we offer man-made sintered stone countertops for a modern and durable surface?
Did you know that Ampquartz offer glassy cut countertops that will provide you both beauty and resilience?
Do you know that quartz countertop is not only heat resistant but also pet friendly?
Did you know that Ampquartz offer both granite and marbles in terms of natural stones material for countertops?
Did you know that natural stone for countertops it actually can be used in indoors and outdoors?
Did you know that Ampquartz provide locally made polar stone that is both stylish and durable? We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now. Did you know that at Ampquartz we provide you the personalized
That nyam nyam. Did you know that sorry.
Did you know we provide kitchen countertop? No!
Neopay.